Hey, what's going on? This is Minister Gold. This is another mix setup tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to show an alert when a user has gotten a new Twitch bit badge. So on Twitch, when a user gives you 1 bit, 100 bits, 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, and so on, they get a special badge on Twitch. And also, if you have it set in your dashboard, they also unlock emotes based off of how many bits they've given so far. And so what I'm doing is I'm playing like a funny video or something on stream when they've reached a certain like bit badge, and I'm also saying in chat, "Hey, congrats, so and so, you've just gotten this bit badge." And what you could also do, I'm not doing this because I don't have the emotes ready. But if you have the emotes ready, you could also put those emotes in your chat message and say, hey, you just unlocked this emote. So that they know, like, hey, there's something to gain from more than just getting the bit badge. And also, that's advertising to everybody else who doesn't have that bit badge, doesn't have that emote tied to that bit badge, or to that bit amount, rather. So yeah, I will show you how to do that. If you find these mix-up tutorials helpful, please like and subscribe for more mix-up tutorials. And also, I'm trying to get to 2,000 followers on Twitch. If I get 2,000 followers, then I will do a stream where I make a banana pudding on stream. So come on down to Twitch, hang out, talk about mix it up gaming, life in general. And yeah, let's get into the tutorial. So first of all, I am on version still 1.3.0.5. Okay. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a currency. Okay, we'll go to currency. I made a currency called, I think it's just called bit badge, isn't it? Yeah, it's just called bits badge. So create this, make sure the acquire rate is disabled. You'll be adding to it manually. When you save it, it's going to ask you whether you want to add all the commands, the built-in commands. Go ahead and add it. Now, the reason why we're doing this is because if we don't do this, then when a user gets more bits, it'll still trigger the previous badges, the alerts for previous badges they've already gotten. And so this is to prevent alerts that have played for previous badges from playing again. I'll show you exactly what I mean if we go to the command. So go to the menu in the top left, go to commands, and I have a command called bits lifetime check. So that's the name of the command, but the trigger will just be bits lifetime, auto include exclamation point, and make it so that only the moderator, oh, I did not do that, I guess. But yeah, only make it so that the moderator and streamer can use this so that nobody can find it, and if they do, abuse it. Okay, so this is a test chat message just to make sure that whatever username I type in, it'll give me back their the username that I provided, their bits lifetime amount, and the current number for their bits badge in the currency. So yeah, target user display name, colon, target user bits lifetime amount, comma, target user bits badge. This is only for testing purposes. You don't need to do this. But if you want to just use it for testing purposes, then do that. But yeah, just make sure you have the same currency name as I do, or else this last one will not work for you. Okay, so I'm gonna show you 2 or 3 of these. I'm not gonna show you all these because they're basically the same. And then after 3 of these, you'll kind of get the idea on how to make the rest of this. Let me maximize this. Okay, that should be good. Okay, let's go to the 1 bits badge. Okay, so here I have target $ target user bits badge. That's the current number for the currency. If that's less than 1, which it will be because, well, if they have, if some, okay, when you make this command, some of your users might already have more than 100 bits, and that's okay. Because as long as you put it in this order, it's going to check every conditional until they reach an amount that is higher than what they've earned. So I want you to know that when you use this command for the first time, all these will trigger all at once, up to like the highest amount that they've achieved so far. So just a heads up about that. Okay, so if target user bits badge is less than 1, and target user bits lifetime amount is greater than equal to 1, then do this. So inside this conditional, so make sure you have the AND operator selected, and you add these two things. So we're going to add a currency action. So go to the drop down and go to consumables, add it, and select bits badge for the consumable, then add to user, and then 1. And if you're curious about like, okay, how do I add the user? That's going to happen when we use this in the events section, because you're going to provide a $ user display name as the user over there, but not here. Okay, for the next one, you'll add a chat message. So after add bits 1 to bits badge, this will now be at 1. Okay, so that means next time it goes through this command, this will not trigger because they'll be at 1. They will not be less than 1 for the bits badge. Okay, for the chat message, $ target user display name just got the 1 bits badge. So that'll say that the username who just got it got the 1 bits badge. And over here is where you could provide your emote. But make sure you send this as streamer if your bot is not subscribed. If they are subscribed, then you don't have to send it as streamer. Because if you send it as the bot and they're not subscribed, then the user will not see the emote that they're getting if there's an emote associated with getting this bits badge or this bits amount. Okay, and then after this, I have simply an overlay image, or rather a video. So go to the drop down, go to overlays, add it. And yeah, I just have it's got 1,000 width, but that's probably too big for you. You might want to do like 500. And then I have the position set to percentage, 13 by 15, puts it in the top left. I got it fading out, and then so they'll just see this. Reboot! Okay, so that'll play once they've got the 1 bits badge. Okay, let's look at the next badge. So 100 bits. Okay, so for this one, we're checking if the target user bits badge is equal to 1, which after getting the 1 bits badge it will be. And we're checking if the target user bits lifetime amount is greater than equal to 100. Okay, and if it is, we're doing the exact same thing, except we're checking, we're adding 1 to the bits badge for the user. So now it's going to be at 2 once they get inside this conditional. Chat message, target user display name, just got the 100 bits badge. Okay, and overlay, same position. It should be, yeah, same position, same animation. And if you wanted to, you could also put like some text up there, like putting the same thing, like this inside like a text overlay. So you need to add another overlay and make it text and just position it. And so if you want to put that up there to let them know, hey, you just got the, like so-and-so just got the 1 bits badge or 100 bits badge, you do that as well. Okay, and then I'll show you one more, and the rest of these you'll get the idea. And also, I'll make this available on Kofi. I'll probably charge like $2 for it at the minimum if you want to download this. Okay, so this one, $ target user bits badge is equal to 2, which it will be at this time. And then target $target user bits lifetime amount is greater than or equal to 1,000. And if it is, we'll go inside here to inside this conditional. This is a currency action, or consumable action rather. We're gonna add 1 to the bits badge currency for this user. Chat message. Target user display name just got the 1K bits badge. And again, put the associate emote in there via streamer if you have it. Well, yeah, streamer will have it, or via the bot if your bot is subscribed. And then again, another overlay. Same position, same position.
Let's get dangerous.
Okay, so yeah, so it'll play like that. And yeah, I don't have to show you the rest of these. You'll get the idea. Um, but yeah, so now let me show you how I'm setting this up inside the events. Okay, go to the menu in the top left, go to events. We'll go to Twitch, and we'll go to Twitch Bits Cheered, if I can find it right there towards the bottom. Okay, so at the very bottom, I'm adding a command. Add it. Okay, so we're adding, it's a chat command, it's a bits lifetime chat command, and for the argument, we're providing $user display name. And yeah, once they get past the lifetime amounts, as it corresponds to the bits lifetime check command, um, it'll play those alerts. But yeah, again, really big warning that because you most likely already have users, chatters that have given you bits before, that means a lot of these will just trigger all at once. And when that happens, some of your overlays will be frozen and you will have to refresh them. You'll have to go to your overlays. If you click on an overlay in OBS, you'll see a refresh button. Let me show you real quick. So yeah, if you click on an overlay, there's a refresh button right here. That's how you refresh your overlay if you want if you got some videos or overlays that get stuck. But having said that, I think for the next video that I'll make is I'll show you how to set up a hotkey to refresh all of your browser sources. So you don't have to click on an overlay to refresh it. But yeah, anyway, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more mix-it-up tutorials. If you want to talk with me about mix-it-up, Twitch, Gaming Life General, please follow me on twitch.tv/miniaturegold. Please help me get to 2,000 follows so that I can do a banana pudding stream. And everybody have a great rest of your week. All right, see ya.